Welcome to the amazing world of bees. These tiny buzzing insects are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Today, we're going to explore their world and discover why they're so important. Let's get started. Did you know bees have been around for millions of years? Scientists believe bees first appeared over 100 million years ago, back when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. They evolved from wasp-like ancestors who loved munching on pollen. There are more than 20,000 types of bees in the world. Some of the most famous ones are honeybees, bumblebees, and carpenter bees. Each type is unique, but they all love flowers. Bees are super organized. They live in colonies with a queen bee, worker bees, and drones. The queen lays eggs, the workers do all the hard work, and the drones help with one special job: making baby bees. The biggest bee is Wallace's giant bee. It's as big as a human thumb. The smallest bee, Perdita minima, is tinier than a grain of rice. Isn't that amazing? A bee's life begins as a tiny egg. It hatches into a larva, grows into a pupa, and then transforms into a buzzing adult. It's like magic. Bees are busy workers. Some collect nectar, others guard the hive, and a few feed the queen and baby bees. Everyone has a special job to do. Bees are amazing architects. They make their hives by chewing wax from their bodies and shaping it into perfect hexagons. These hexagons are strong and save space. When bees collect nectar from flowers, they mix it with enzymes in their bodies and store it in the hive. They fan it with their wings to make it thick and sweet. This is honey. Bees can dance. They do a waggle dance to show their friends where to find the best flowers. It's like a secret code for directions. Bees help us in so many ways. They pollinate plants, which means they help flowers grow and crops like apples and almonds thrive. Plus, they give us honey. If bees disappeared, plants wouldn't grow as well, and we'd have less food to eat. That's why it's so important to protect them. Bees are tiny heroes who make our world brighter and better. You can help them by planting flowers and being kind to nature. Let's all work together to save the bees.